Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape in your Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. This one, need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install and now click open. Now need choose your application from the list, maybe YouTube will be nice. So change your application and now change your icon. Maybe from another library, maybe this one will be nice. So then on the top right corner we got OK button, press it and wait a second for generating new icon and press add to home. And we got success message, so go back our home screen, and how you can see here we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.